Yeah, here we go.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the seventh tournament at Ocean Acres. I would like to welcome everyone. It's a beautiful day. Bring your A game. Good luck.
All right. Wala pa si Elmer eh. Ikaw ang designated presidente. Go ahead, open up.
Kudita na lang natin. Bakit designated pa? Kudita na lang.
So it's our seventh tournament, Ocean Acres. Go ahead, open up.
This will be an interesting outing today.
Okay.
It's a little cloudy. We expected a sunny day.
Yeah.
I expected, well, cloudy works for me because parang yan palagi.
There you go.
Good luck to everyone.
There you go.
Okay.
All right. Here you go, guys. Adonis, any comment there?
Separate
It's gonna be tough to win. A new day. These guys are a new game. I like that. A new champion.
Get the American flag. I'm gonna flag down here, baby. Any comment, gentlemen?
Let's see who's gonna get jealous.
There you go. Yobi, congratulations last week, our last tournament. Any comment today?
Let's do it again.
There you go. I'm in for it. All right, gentlemen.
You know, sometimes baka yung mga...
Jason, any comment today, sir?
It's a new day, new game, new champion.
There you go. Doc, any comment?
Oh, boss.
It's our seventh tournament.
We need someone up there to help me in order to win.
Okay, Nesta. I know you have something to say. There you go.
I become an eagle when I play with this guy.
No,
I'm not a turkey.
you're not a turkey. Ralphie? Good?
You're good.
All right. Kaya pala sabi bago pa yung car ko. 3 years na yung bag ko eh. Almost 2 years na yung bag ko na yan eh. Look at that.
Kaming dalaw siguro ni Dada before.
Si Rick wala pa eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Okay, we'll switch over.
Dada siguro.
Okay. Dito, any comment today, sir?
What's that?
Any comment?
Any comment? I want to keep up with tax collector.
Ang ganda ng cart bag niya, Adonis. Did you guys see Adonis' new bag? Holy shit.
Did you see the traffic? Oh my! You see the traffic, right? It's crazy.
I told you should have left early. Go ahead, doon.
Hey,
I'm gonna be driving.
Perdiyan ako eh.
Apat na beses
Apat na sa wood. Tapos, tayo na tinira ko, one pot. Yeah! Triple bogey.
One pa to. Tingin na sila sa amin, no? Yeah! Happy.
Mga winner, congratulations finally, bye. Finally! Second place na dati
I
ngayon,
think it's the
winner
shirt.
na. Naka na yan.
I think it's the shirt.
The shirt na.
It's a shirt. Who's your daddy?
Congratulations, A. Jay, you the winner. Congrats.
Finally, yeah.
Yep, congratulations. And the collector is here. Collecting the collectors. Congrats. Class B, Class A, CJ. You guys were playing well, you know. Jay, once in a blue moon lang yan eh. Diba? Dito! Pakita mo yan mo, dollar mo.
Sa mula, baby.
There you go.
For the go-go.
Check it. Okay.
Dada, magkano kolektahan ko sa iyo?
Dada.
Di ba ano lang?
Mga ang dami mga collector dito.
Dada ngayon wala.
Puto na, hindi ako pumupusta.
Sa backline, sinong sa atin?
Ang patet niya ngayon eh.
Mga collector lahat.